today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some money for free. So all this is all possible with the app called Mobirich. So if you do not know what Mobirich is, it's simply an app or application which is going to pay you to receive incoming SMSs. So what you have to do is simply install this application on your phone, okay? And secondly, you have to make it the default program for receiving SMSs. And lastly, you need to set up how you'd like to get paid. You can currently get paid via PayPal or using Bitcoin. Okay, so let's get started. How do you get started? So you can either use the link in the description, or you can simply enter in mobirich.io. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to simply click on give it a try. But before I begin the installation and show you how you can actually make money with it, so the other question you might be having is why do Mobirich has to pay you to receive SMSs? Well, this is because SMS aggregators and SMS marketing services need to test the quality of their SMS delivery when they send them to subscribers from different countries. So Mobirich pays you to use your phone number for this test, unlike other platforms which they don't pay you anything at all. So when you receive a message in Mobirich, the program automatically records how quickly and how well the message was delivered. So it is that simple. You simply help Mobirich improve the quality of mobile operators, and they get to reward you for your help. So it's actually a good thing. Okay, and yes, it does work. In case you might be having that question, that is just really working. Yes, it is. So now let's begin with the installation. So all that you have to do is click on the get started. So now I'm going to click on download to download this app. Download anywhere. Okay, so the downloading is done. So let me open it to install. So installation is done. So let me open it up. So as you can see, the first requirement to be asked is to make it the default. So let me just do that. Then simply choose Mobirich and set it as default. Then this one is up to you. You can choose while using the app or only this time, but it is recommended to choose while using the app. Okay, so now you have to enter in your phone number. So let's give it a try. Remember to add your country code. But before I click on login, for this to work, you need to have some airtime on your account. So this is the first procedure. So make sure that you've got some airtime in your phone. Then it's going to send an SMS and you're going to pass the verification. Okay, so currently in my phone number there's airtime for about 15 quarter. So let's give it a try and click on login. Okay, so it seems like to pass the verification it cost about less than 1 quarter. Okay, so there it is, it has worked. Okay, so now what you have to do is, so if you'd like to earn more, simply click on how to earn more. Then simply disable power saving mode if you'd like to earn more, and it's better to use Wi-Fi, which is faster. And also, if you'd like to withdraw your earnings, simply click on withdraw, enter in the amount you'd like to withdraw. And the good part is that the minimum amount you can withdraw is actually €2, which is easier to make, and simply enter in your PayPal email address. Okay, if you don't have a PayPal account that can both send and receive, I've got a tutorial on that on this channel you can use to make a PayPal account from any country. Okay, then if you'd like to send SMSs to other people, since this is your default application for SMSs, simply click on Messenger and click on the Messenger icon to text anyone. Okay, so this is how you use this app. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. The link to this app will be in the description. Bye for now.